Director Kim introduced some mysteries in the previous episode, including broken guardrails. He will explain about the analysis result of the mystery of external impact, including another matter found in the process of investigation. External walls of Sewol Ferry were built by welding about 20 mm thickness of steel plates like tiling work. Red box in the photo indicates the damaged part of the ship. The part indicated with an arrow is the guardrail part of Sewol Ferry, and this curved part was damaged. This photo shows the scene of actual repair of Sewol Ferry. Her external walls consist of steel plates and welded parts are weak. However, after Sewol Ferry tilted, the lateral part under the guardrails was immersed in the sea and damage of lateral part could not be identified.
This is the first image of the doom.
However, there was a video reported by CNN. This video was analyzed and corresponding part was magnified. Left photo shows the shape of Sewol Ferry in the situation of the accident, and right photo shows the shape of Sewol Ferry before the accident occurred. Right external wall has a curved shape, but left external wall lost its curved part. The left wall was cut along to the red line. Director Kim tried to find out the material that might impact the left wall. It would be possible that, when Sewol Ferry tilted, the containers at this position might move downwards and might hit the left external wall. However, as the distance between containers and the wall is merely 2 meters and there might be friction with the floor, such distance is too short to get the speed to it and separate the wall. This photo shows the shape of Sewol Ferry during repair process. As shown, steel plates are attached like mosaics. If weak welded parts were cleaved, one piece of curved part was to be separated, but the part indicated with an arrow was cleaved. Therefore, like the case of guardrails, it is supposed that a material hit the steel plate at a very high speed. The note written by Kim Young-boon, a managing director, supports aforesaid suppositions strongly. My supposition is that impact was given in the direction of this yellow arrow. The part indicated with this yellow arrow was additionally damaged, resulting in flooding of Sewol Ferry, and Sewol Ferry sank unexpectedly fast. This is the record of the prosecutor and shows the communication that Jindo VTS informs a Cambodian ship of the accident of Sewol Ferry and explains the situation at that time. I confirmed an unrecognizable part of the prosecutor, that is Sewol now.
Motor vessel Asia, coastal X-ray, uniform, water hotel, Nile, Jindo coastal witness. Yes, Asia. Yes, Asia, this is Jindo coastal witness, on your port side, motor vessel Sewol, now collision.
The word of collision is clearly heard. However, the prosecutor treated this part as an unrecognizable part. Director Kim has additional data on the suspicion of faking of Jindo VTS video, which was introduced in the previous episode. This video consists of 3 parts extracted from an about 1 minute of video. The speed is changed to 0.8, 20.7, 0.9, 20.7, and 0.7 knots. I suspect that Sewol Ferry was in almost stop state, but, in order to hide this stoppage, the video might be faked. Therefore, Director Kim reviewed all the 64 channels of CCTV installed in Sewol Ferry to check the speeds. Several channels are turned off and then all the channels become unavailable. In this time zone, numerous AIS data loss sections exist. It's possible to check the waves for estimation of the state of Sewol Ferry in these channels, but one channel was turned off since 11 o'clock in the night on April 15th, and another channel has 1 to 2 seconds of distributed videos equivalent to merely about 30 seconds in total duration. Fishermen made testimonies that a white ship was in stop status at that time, but their testimonies were changed in successive interviews. It's not believable that the person who lived there for their whole life did not know due to mistakes whether the ship was sailing or stopped at that time.